Hi boys and girls. For today's lesson, I need you to get either cards with the numbers 0 through 5, maybe popsicle sticks with numbers 0 through 5, or what I will be using are Mrs. Taylor's favorite snack, goldfish. Okay, so I want you to get something so we can have a little fun before we go into today's lesson. Okay, for today's lesson, we are going to be putting our flashcards in order. So we're going to be ordering numbers 0 through 5. What does that mean? That means we're going to put them as we would count, okay? So we start with what number? So my cards are all messed up. I need to put them in order. So when we put them in order, we count from 0 to 5, right? So will you help me put them together? Okay, 0. What comes after 0? We have 1, good job. 0, 1. What comes after 1? Did you say 2? Nice. And what comes after 2? Is it 4? No, it's 5, right? No? Oh, it's 3. Okay, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 2 cards left. Which one is next? What comes after 3? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 5, right? So now that we put them in order, I want you to grab some of your goldfish or maybe some stickers or anything that we can put on top of these cards, okay? If you don't have some cards, you can make some out of paper or use some flashcards that you already have, okay? So I have 0. How many goldfish do I put on top of this flashcard? None, right? Because 0 means none. All right. Okay, so we have the number 1 next. How many goldfish do I put on here? 1. Awesome. Good job. All right. 2. How many goldfish do we put on top of that one? 2. Awesome. Good. So 1, 2. Okay. Next card. What number is this? 3. All right. Help me count. 1, 2, and 3. Almost done. How many do I put on top of this one? 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the biggest number we have is 5. All right, I need your help. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we done? No, we need 1 more. 5. Okay, now we're done. So when we put them in order, that means we start at 0 and go all the way to 5. So our numbers are in order now, okay? Let's count them together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, good job. Now let's get into the lesson. Okay, so we counted from 0 to 5, but now can we count from 5 to 0? Yeah? All right. Show me 5. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Good job. First thing we're going to do is we're going to color the stones that are in the vases, okay? So notice how this one doesn't have any because that is what number? So this doesn't have any. This is the number 0. So we don't do anything to that one. Moving on, we have 1 stone. So we're going to color it. Okay, now that we colored that one, we go to the next one. Let's count the stones. 1 and 2, okay? All right, and then I want you to keep counting, okay? We're gonna end with, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, we are going to make our own tower with stones, okay? So we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and now you're going to do 4. You're going to draw 4, and then 3, 2, 1, and 0. Are we going to draw anything here? No, right? Because 0 means none. All right. Now the other sheet that you can choose to do is this one. So after we put our name down, we're going to do rainbow writing. But the numbers aren't there. That means you are going to write the numbers on your own. So this is really good practice, okay? All right, so remember, 0, we make an O, and then we're done, okay? So I'm gonna show you. Make a circle like an O, and then you're done. Go do that for all of them and use different colors, okay? It's a rainbow writing. All right, number 1, we're going to do straight line down, and then you're done. And you're gonna do that here, okay? You're not gonna go all the way down, right? You're only gonna go to this line. Straight line down, and then you're done. Okay, number 2. Around the track and back on it. That's how you make a number 2. Number 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's how you make a number 3. 4. It's down and over and down once more. That's how you make a 4. And then for 5, we're gonna start right here. Because we're learning about the neck and the belly and the hat, okay? So neck, belly, hat. I want you to try that on your own, okay? Let's do rainbow writing.